This is Jake McWilliams and
Chase Cannon.
2013 bike check. Starting from the top, we got Super Soft ODIs, free agent bar ends, Virgo 2012 bars and stem, FSA Impact headset, Virgo 2012 frame and forks with the G Sport rim, Kenda tires, and a Virgo 2012 hub with a free agent seat, We the People arcade cranks with free agent pedals, Virgo 2012 sprocket with the KMC chain. Did I do my brakes? No. And then free agent brakes with a Blue Odyssey brake cable and the same setup wheel in the back. Okay.
So starting from the top, I got ODI Ultra Soft Long Neck Grips, ODI bar ends, Verde 2010 bars with Verde 2010 stem, FSA Impact headset, free agent forks, Diamondback complete wheel with Kenda tires, Verde Vex 2010 frame, Verde cranks, Odyssey PC pedals, Verde Vex 2010 sprocket, and pivot seat with KMC Crazy Black chain, and Verde Vex 2010 back wheel with white wall Kenda tires. Right.
Well, hope you like our bike check. Rate, comment, and subscribe. Bye.